Hey guys, I am playing Subway Surfers for you guys because why not? I am bored. Why not just make a game video? So you guys can't hear. Hold on here. Hey guys, go. You guys could hear it. Dang it. What the heck? That's a real big officer. So yeah, and comment down below which game you want me to play on my tablet. It could be Akinator again if you want me to play Akinator. It could be anything. Don't, ow. Excuse me? You got that Nerf gun, so yeah, you better run. I'm trying to concentrate and talk at the same time. It's harder than you think, because you gotta make sure it's recording, which is bad if you don't pay attention. What the heck? Haha. Whoop! Why did I do that? Dang it. Oh yeah, let's try to get to 6,000 likes. Everybody, like it up. And subscribe. Hit the bell notification. And this is all I can do. So, because it's almost my bedtime, I shouldn't have done this earlier. But peace.